You can lose a caller's trust in the first 10 seconds, or you can win it with 6 simple opening phrases. You're on the line with a frustrated customer, and your very first words decide how this call goes. I'm Ashish, and today you will learn 6 opening phrases that start every great support conversation. By the end, you will sound confident, calm, and genuinely helpful from your very first hello. In this video, you will learn greeting structures that feel friendly, not robotic. You will learn tone setup so you sound calm even when the caller is not. You will learn quick verification that protects privacy without dragging the call. You will use empathy lines and a smooth transition into problem solving. You will finish with a simple closing wrap up you can reuse on every call. This training is about 8 minutes, which is perfect for quick skills boost before your shift. If you want more real call scripts and contact center training, go ahead and subscribe now so you don't miss the next walkthrough. Let's start with the basic structure of a strong opening. Your first 10 to 15 seconds should do 4 things. You say who you are, you say who you represent, you show you are on the caller's side, you signal that you are ready to help. Here's a simple formula in a calm, neutral US voice. Thank you for calling the company name. This is your name. How can I help you today? Notice 3 parts in that sentence. Thank you for calling shows appreciation. This is your name builds trust. How can I help you today? Move straight into support. Now let's add a tone setup line that works especially when with with frustrated callers. I'll do my best to get this sorted for you as quickly as possible. You are not promising miracles in that line, you are promising effort and speed. That's exactly what an upset caller wants to hear. So, what happens when routine goes out of the window and the caller is already upset before you speak? Now, we will layer these phrases into a real world scenario. Here's the typical call you will get in a US contact center. The customer can't access their account after a password reset. They are frustrated, they are short on time, and their patience is low. You start with the basic opening, but you add empathy and tone matching. Tone matching doesn't mean copying their anger, it means matching their urgency while staying calm. If they sound rushed, you keep your pace slightly faster, but your voice stays level and warm. Here's a scripted opening for this scenario. Thank you for calling Northline Support. This is Alex. I hear you are locked out after resetting your password. I know that's frustrating, especially when you are short on time. I'll do my best to get you back in quickly. Empathy is built into that opening. I hear you. I hear you. Show that you are. I hear you shows that you are listening. I know that's frustrating. Shows you are that you understand their situation. I do my best to get you back in quickly. Shows that you are taking action. Now let's break down empathy versus sympathy. Empathy sounds like I know that's frustrating, especially when you are short on time. You are showing you understand their situation. You are in their shoes. Sympathy sounds like I feel so bad for you. This must be terrible. Sympathy sounds nice, but it doesn't move the problem forward. On support calls, you want empathy plus action. So you go to empathy lines can be I can imagine how frustrating this is. Another line is thanks for your patience while we sort this out. Another line is I'm here to help you get this resolved. You use these lines right after you recognize the problem and before you dive into troubleshooting. Then you transition to verification quickly without killing momentum. You can say to make sure I am working on the right account, I will just confirm a couple of details with you. This will only take a moment. You have told them what you are doing, why you are doing it, and how long it will take. That keeps them with you instead of feeling blocked. In a moment, you will hear a full live call read through and one simple phrase that can drop tension on almost any angry call. Let's walk through a short demo now. You can read along word for word or adapt this script to your company. Here's how the call starts. Thank you for calling Northline Support. This is Alex. How can I help you today? The caller responds, yeah, I reset my password like it said, and now I'm locked out. I'm already late for a meeting. I don't have time for this. You answer with calm empathy and a slightly slower pace. You say, I hear you. Being locked out when you are heading into a meeting is really frustrating. You add, I will do my best to get you back in as quickly as possible. Next, you move into verification. You say, to make sure I am working on the right account, I will just confirm a couple of details with you. This will only take a moment. The caller says, fine, just make it quick. You respond, absolutely, and then you ask, can I please confirm your full name and the email address on the account? The caller gives you the details and you pull up the account. You say, thank you, I have got your account pulled up now. You add, I can see there was a password reset a few minutes ago. You use another empathy line and say, thanks for hanging in there while we sort this out. I know you are short on time. Now you move into resolution. You say, here's what I'm going to do for you now. You continue, I will unlock the account on my end and send you a one-time login link. You add, once you are in, you can set a new password that works better for you. Here's the simple phrase that helps drop tension. You say, so we are going to fix this together right now. The caller responds, okay, that sounds good. You say, I have just sent the link to your email ending in .net. You add, let me know once you see it and I will stay on the line while you log in. The caller confirms the email and logs in successfully. You say, I'm glad you got back in. You close with, before we end the call, is there anything else I can help you with today? The caller says, no, that's it. Thanks. That's a full call that starts strong, stays empathetic, and ends clean. Now let's do a quick recap checklist of what you need to remember. Start with gratitude and say thank you for calling company name. State your identity clearly and say this is your name. Add empathy early with lines like, I know that's frustrating, especially when you are short on time. Explain verification with, this will only take a moment. Outline your plan with, here's what I'm going to do for you. Now close with care and ask, is there anything else I can help you with today? If you hit these points in the first minute of every call, you will sound professional, calm, and in control even when the caller isn't. So what happens when the caller isn't just frustrated but truly angry, raising their voice and threatening escalation? In the next video, how to de-escalate angry callers, 5 scripts that work. You will learn exact phrases and pacing to calm callers and reduce escalations by 40%. If this walkthrough helped you feel more confident about opening calls, go ahead and subscribe now for more contact center training and real call scripts. If you found this helpful, please subscribe now. My channel helps you master the finer nuances of voice process in a US contact center. Hit like if you want more live demos like this. Share this video with a teammate who's just starting in a US voice-based contact center role. Remember, the next video is how to de-escalate angry callers, 5 scripts that work. Will show you step-by-step de-escalation frameworks and exact phrases to calm even the toughest callers. Thanks for spending a few minutes leveling up your skills today. Take a breath, put on your headset, and start your next call with confidence. I'll see you in the de escalation video.